Hey, good morning everyone. Hope you all are fine. Today I will discuss about some important shortcut keys used in Microsoft Excel. Shortcut key is a special combination that causes a specific command to be executed. Typically, shortcut keys combine the Control or Alt keys with some other keys. In window environments, for example, Control plus C, right? It is used as the shortcut key to copy. So, to make it more clear, let's begin our class. So let's start with our class Microsoft Excel shortcut keys. Microsoft Excel. So we will discuss before that Microsoft Excel. What is Microsoft Excel? It is a spreadsheet program defined by rows and columns. As you can see, this is a spreadsheet, right? It is a combination of rows and column. There are so many rows and columns, so each worksheet has a number of rows, this number of rows and this number of columns. It is very important to learn because it can mostly asked in the papers. The intersection of a row and column is called as a cell, like this one. This cell has the number of row is 5 and column is L. So this cell has the address that is called L5, right? A cell in a worksheet has a unique address also called as a cell reference. So this is the cell reference of this cell in this worksheet. So we will discuss about the shortcut keys now. First of all, the Control plus A. Control plus A is used to select all the contents. Like we will place the cursor right here in any cell, then we will press the Control plus A. We will press the Control key first, and along with that we will press the A alphabet in the keyboard. Right? So we can see that the whole page is selected. After that we will discuss about the Control plus X to cut the selected content. As we select this cell, we will press the Control plus X. With Control key we will press the X. As you can see, this cell is selected, right? We will press now delete. This cell is erased, means it is cut. Control plus C to copy the selected content. We will select this content. We will press the Control plus C. As you can see, this area is selected, right? Now we will place the cursor to other cell and will press the Control plus V to paste that copy selected content, right? We will press the copy and then paste, that is Control plus V. We can paste anytime. After that, Control plus C key. We can also save this worksheet where we are working. We can press the Control plus S to select this. As we can see, it has already named Excel class, so it is already saved, right? To open, as you can see, there are so many sheets here. To add a new worksheet, like we have 1, 2, 3 and 4, we can add one more sheet here, a blank sheet. We will press the right here, the Shift plus F11 function key, and we can get a new worksheet, sheet 5, and we were working right here, sheet 1, and the Control Z to undo an action. Control Z will undo the action. It means its function is to reverse anything which is last done by us. We can repeat it many times. After that we will press the Control plus Y it will use to restore any action that have been previously undone using an undo option. So you can practice these shortcut keys at home. Thank you.